The AI ethics debate is indeed a complex and multifaceted issue that has garnered significant attention in recent years. As AI technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, there are increasing calls to carefully consider the ethical implications and potential risks associated with its development and deployment. Here are some key points to consider in the debate about whether we should slow down AI development. 1. Ethical considerations. AI technologies have the potential to impact various aspects of society, including privacy, employment, security, and human rights. Ethical considerations include ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. There is a need to address biases in AI algorithms, protect individual privacy, and prevent the misuse of AI for harmful purposes. Slowing down AI development could provide more time to establish robust ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to address these concerns. 2. Safety and security. The deployment of AI in critical areas such as healthcare, transportation, and national security raises safety and security concerns. Ensuring that AI systems are safe, reliable, and resilient to adversarial attacks is crucial. Slowing down AI development could allow for more rigorous testing and validation of AI systems, reducing the risk of unintended consequences and potential harm. 3. Social and economic impact. AI has the potential to disrupt labor markets and economies. Automation and AI-driven technologies could lead to job displacement and economic inequality. Slowing down AI development could provide more time to develop strategies and policies to mitigate the negative impact on workers and ensure a fair transition to an AI-driven economy. 4. Innovation and progress. On the other hand, slowing down AI development could hinder innovation and progress. AI has the potential to bring significant benefits, such as advancements in healthcare, environmental sustainability, and scientific research. Balancing the need for ethical considerations with the desire to harness the positive potential of AI is a challenging task. 5. Global competition. AI development is a global endeavor, with countries competing to achieve technological leadership. Slowing down AI development in one country could result in losing competitive advantage to others. International cooperation and coordination are essential to ensure that AI development is aligned with ethical principles and benefits humanity as a whole. Conclusion. The AI ethics debate is a critical discussion that requires input from various stakeholders, including researchers, policymakers, industry leaders, and the public. While there are valid reasons to consider slowing down AI development to address ethical concerns, it is equally important to ensure that we do not stifle innovation and progress. A balanced approach that promotes responsible AI development, robust ethical guidelines, and international cooperation is necessary to navigate the complexities of the AI ethics debate. In your view, what are the most pressing ethical concerns related to AI, and how do you think we should address them?